Our next letter is the lowercase f. I'll show you the traditional copperplate F, and then I'll show you the one I typically use in letter, which is a smaller variation. So the traditional copperplate F is quite the big letter. You start with your fine hairline entry stroke, and just like the L, you'll come out, be a little bit below the waistline, and then press all the way down to the descender depth, loop around, come up. You could come up below the, above rather, the baseline, and loop around, and that exit stroke would connect to your next letter. So that is your traditional copperplate F. Oh, looks like I have something on my pen nib, so we'll go ahead and clean it before I show you my variation. Okay. So the one I typically do is a bit smaller. It starts out the same way, but it ends differently. I press all the way down, I pause, release my pressure very quickly, and then I do a crossbar, which basically looks like this, and that would connect to my next letter. Okay, I'll do another one of those for you. Out to the side, press all the way down, and then release my pressure to give it like a more tapered look. So it's wide here, and then it slims down. And then the crossbar is basically something like this. I'll do another one of those. A little bit longer.